I'm going to show you how to change the hard disk of this computer. So we stop.